Good morning all of you. Now today we can discuss laws of exponents. Okay, we already discussed about exponents and how we can write if you get a number, how we can convert that into exponents form, and if any number given exponents form, how we can convert that into, how we can find out its value. Okay, that we discussed. Now laws of exponents, there are some important laws for exponents when we are multiplying or dividing one exponent number by another exponent number. Okay, this will be very useful if we use these laws for multiplication and division for some exponents numbers. It will be very easy. Okay, for that we can discuss that laws of exponents. Today we can discuss only two laws. For that, if suppose x is a rational number, for x is any rational number and if a and b are any whole numbers, then x raised to a into x raised to b is equal to x raised to a plus b. Here when we multiply two exponents numbers with the same base, what is the base here for x raised to a? The base is x and power is a, and for x raised to b the base is x and power is b. And when we multiply two exponent numbers with the same base and with different exponents or different powers, then its answer will be, the common base is what? X raised to a plus b. We add that to exponents, we add that to powers. Okay, so this is the first law of exponents. X raised to a into x raised to b is equal to x raised to a plus b. All of you want to by heart this, very important, these laws of exponents. For this, here x will be any rational number and a and b will be any whole numbers. Okay, now through one example we can discuss this. Suppose 2 raised to 3 we are multiplying with 2 raised to 4. Okay, if we need to multiply 2 raised to 3 means 2 cube into 2 raised to 4. Our normal multiplication is, here 2 how many times we want to multiply? 3 times. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into, here is multiplication. Next is 2 raised to 4. How many times? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This much times we want to multiply. Okay, so here answer will get 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64, 128. Okay, 128. This answer will get 128. So the same multiplication we can do. Otherwise, we can write it in exponential form. No need of finding its value. We can write this in exponents form. 2 raised to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times we are multiplying 2. So its answer we can write it as 2 raised to 7. So when we use this first law here, which is the base, common base for both, 2 is common base here, this also for both numbers 2 is the base, same base, and powers are different. So instead of x raised to a, here given 2 raised to 3, and instead of x raised to b it is 2 raised to 4. So when we use the laws, how we can write is 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 4, a plus b. We are doing so here 3 plus 4. So what is 2 raised to 3 plus 4? 2 raised to 7. Okay, this way we can use this laws of exponents for multiplication of any exponents numbers. Another example, 3 by 4 whole raised to 3 into 3 by 4 whole raised to 8. How we can multiply this? So this we can write it as, here both bases are same. So 3 by 4 whole raised to, what is the powers? 3 and 8. So 3 plus 8, that will be equal to 3 by 4 whole raised to 11. Okay, this way we can do that. We can use this first law of exponents for multiplication of exponents numbers with the same base and different powers. That one to care. Okay, if it is only same base and different power, then only we can use this law. So x raised to a into x raised to b equal x raised to a plus b. Just like second law, x raised to a divided by x raised to b will be equal to x raised to a minus b. Okay. Here also the bases are same. Both the bases are same, x and different powers. But here it is division. Okay. So when we divide that, then the powers will be subtracted. One example you look. 6 raised to and here one condition, another condition also there. Here x should be any rational number and a and b will be any whole numbers, such that a should be greater than b. In this case, a should be greater than b. So one example we can take 6 raised to 7 divided by 6 raised to 3. Okay, when we use this in normal way, how we can write 6 want to multiply how many times? 7 times. 6 raised to 7 means 6 multiply 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Division. So divided by 6 how many times here? Multiply 3 times. So 6 into 6 into 6. Okay. So how we can find out this? When we multiply, cancel, we can cancel these. So only remains how many? 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 are remains. So 6 raised to 4. Okay. When we use this laws of exponents, here we can simply write 6 raised to 7 divided by 6 raised to 3. When we use that law, it will be 6 raised to a minus b here, a minus b. So 7 minus 3, that's equal to 6 raised to 4. Okay, if we know the law, we can do the calculation very fast. Okay, so this is very important. 7 laws are there. So today all of you study these first 2 laws. X raised to a into x raised to b equal x raised to a plus b. One condition here, x should be any rational numbers, a and b will be any whole numbers. And in the second case, for any rational number x and for any whole numbers a and b, and also one condition, a should be greater than b. In that case, x raised to a divided by x raised to b is equal to x raised to a minus b. Using this law, we can do some calculations also as homework, this type of questions. Okay, thank you.